Hello student, today we will do question number 2 from exercise 5.3 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. Question number Question number 1, 2, 1. Here A is equal to 7, D is equal to 10 to 20, 21 by 2 minus 7. It will subtract 2, 21 minus 14 is equal to 7 by 2. This will be 7 by 2 is D. L last term is equal to 84. So first we will find N. N using this formula, N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Using this formula we will put An is equal to 84 is equal to A is equal to 7 plus N we have to find D is equal to 7 by 2. If we bring 7 this side, it will subtract from 84, then it will be 77 plus N minus 77 is equal to N minus 1 into 7 by 2. So this is 77 into 2 by 7 is equal to N minus 1. 11 means N minus 1 is equal to 22. So N is equal to 1 will go that side, 23. So now we'll use formula Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. Using this formula we will find 23 by 2 into A is 7 plus 84. L last term is 84. This will be 23 by 2 into 91. If you multiply this, so we will get 2093 by 2. If we make this in mixed fraction, 1046 by 2. This is answer. So now see question number 2. Question number 2. So we'll see. Question number 2. A is equal to 34. D is equal to, it will subtract 32 minus 34. This will be minus 2. L is equal to 10. So first we will find N. So using that formula, N last term is 10, so 10 is equal to 34 plus N minus 1 into D. 34 will come this side, so this will be minus 24 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 2 N minus 1 is equal to minus 24 by minus 2 minus 2 12. This is 12, so N is equal to 13. Now using that formula, Sn is 13 is equal to 13 by 2. A is 34 plus last term is 10. 13 by 2 into 44, 22 is equal to, if we multiply then 13, 286. This is the answer. Now see question number 3. Question number 3 is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus minus 2 0. This is, so here it is A is equal to minus 5, D is equal to minus 3, L is equal to minus 230. So first we will find N. So N is equal to minus 230 is equal to A is equal to minus 5 plus N minus 1 into D. D is minus 3. So this will come this side, so this will be plus, so this will be minus 225 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. So N minus 1 is equal to minus 225 by minus 3. $75. So N is equal to, then 1 will add here, so this will be 76. Now use formula to find S76 is equal to 76 by 2 into A. A is minus 5 plus D. Last term is last term is minus 230. So see here, 38 and minus 235. If you multiply this, so we'll get minus 8930. If we multiply this, so we get this. So this is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.